الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين. Dear Muslim brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Easy Tajhweed with Hassan Anass and welcome to sixth part of first lesson. In last session we studied about names of harakat. So inshallah today we will study about Majzoom, Mushaddad and Munawan. So before start the lesson, I am requesting to everyone to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. So let's start the lesson. Question is, what is Jazm Sukoon? So here you can see example min. Up of noon you can see there is one sign. So for that sign calling Jazm Sukoon. So if Jazm come to any letter, for that letter we can call that letter is Majzoom, and for that letter we can call that letter is Sakin also. For example, Man. Up of noon you can see there is Jazm Sukoon. So for noon we can call noon Majzoom or noon Sakin. So next question is, what is Tashdid Shad? So here you can see one example in. So you can see up of noon there is Tashdid Shad. So for this sign calling Shad also, Tashdid also. So if Tashdid come to any letter, for that letter we can call that letter is Mushaddad. For example, Rabbi. Up of Ba you can see there is Tashdid Shad. So for Ba we can call Ba Mushaddad. So next question is, what is Tanween? In Divehi language it's called Ambam Fili, Imbim Fili and Umbum Fili. To Fatha, to Kasra and to Dhamma, that is Tanween. For example, Adaban. Up of Ba there is two Fatha. So for that calling Tanween. So if Tanween come to any letter, for that letter we can call that letter is Munawan. For example, Hisaban. Up of Ba you can see there is two Fatha, Ambam Fili. So for Ba we can call Ba Munawan. So I hope now you understood about Majzoom, Mushaddad and about Munawan. So keep practice and make sure now you can pronounce it correctly. Thanks for watching. See you in next session. Goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.